Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, you just have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now once you successfully logged in, the first thing that you need to do is to simply tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you are going to see the overview of crypto that you have, whether it is in the spot wallet or in the funding wallet or earn wallet. So you just have to basically get an overview of the cryptos that you have, and you need to select that particular crypto which you want to sell. After doing so, you will have to come the home page, and then in the search bar at the top, you will have to tap on it, and you will have to search for that crypto which you want to sell. After that, we'll have to tap on it. And once done, you are going to see the chart of that particular crypto. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is simply select it as USDT if is not selected already. In order to do so, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button in the top, and after that, you will have to make sure that it is selected as USDT. Afterwards, you will have to click on the sell button in bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be redirected on this sell page where you are going to see its current price. Now over here, you just have to enter the amount of coin that you want to sell. You can either enter the amount manually or you can use this slider in the bottom in order to sell it according to the percentage, such as you want to sell 25% of Gala or any other coin. Then you can select it as 20%. If you want to sell 50%, so basically you can use this slider in order to select the amount. After that, you will have to tap on the sell button in the bottom and sell order will be placed. And this way, you will be able to easily sell your crypto on Binance. So that's basically how you can sell your crypto on Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.